Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix TikTok not working issue on iPhone iOS 17 without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and restarting your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is update your iPhone latest iOS version. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen many options. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is available, download and install the update, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is clear that TikTok app. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on TikTok app, tap on offload app. Offloading TikTok will delete the app but keep its documents and data. Tap on offload app and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is update the TikTok app. Firstly, tap on App Store, search TikTok app, check the app updates. If app updates are available, updates your app and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is check your internet connection. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. If you are on cellular network, try switching to different network or disabling and re-enabling your cellular data. So for this, check your internet connection and problem is fixed. How to fix TikTok not working issue on iPhone iOS 17 is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.